Now tell me one thing. If you actually have to solve this question in exam, what you'll first start with? First, you must draw the triangle. If every time in the exam, if you see this question, draw a right angle triangle.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, name it A, B, C. Now what is tan? Tan equal to P by B. Okay, that's 3 by 4. Let's call it 3x by 4x. So let's call this one as tan A. So P will be this 3x, B will be 4x. Okay, and we have solved already, so it will be obviously 5x. Okay, or you can do that Pythagoras theorem, 3 square plus 4 square, that thing. Okay, here you have to start here onwards. But the question is how you will do this part and what is the value. So start doing it. We need to first find out the sin A. So sin A will be P by H. That's what's our P? 3x by 5x. So that's 3 by 5. Now cos A will be 4 by 5, like base by hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. Now these values are important. If you don't want to get confused later, you must find these values. Okay, that's the value of sin A. I'll write it in a better way. Okay. Now 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. 1 by sin A plus cos A equal to, let's put its value, 1 by, what is sin A? Sin A 3 by 5 plus what is cos A? 1 by 4 by 5. How will write it? We have to take its reciprocal. Okay, this denominator goes to numerator, keep in mind. So we get 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Okay, now what to do? 10 by 7, and wrong.
Wait, what?
Children do this mistake. Okay, like you are also children, but toddlers do this mistake, so don't do it. Do the LCM way. 3 into, okay, I mean 4 into and down also 4 into, here into 3 and up also into 3. Okay, so you get 20 plus 15 by 4 3 are 12. That's 35 by 12. So our answer we are getting is 35 by 12, and yeah, seems to be right. So yes, we got it correct, and this is how to do it. The main part is making this triangle and finding their values. So take a screenshot.
By the way friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at bestclasses.pandeysir. Till the next time, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the famous phrase of Pandeysir: push past your limits.